Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your iCloud keychain to a new MacBook, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your iCloud keychain to a new MacBook, start by turning on your new MacBook. Make sure you are connected to the internet. During the setup process, sign in to your Apple ID. This ensures that your iCloud settings sync across devices. Once you have completed the setup, open the System Preferences. Click on the Apple ID icon in the top right corner. In the sidebar, select iCloud. Ensure that the keychain box is checked. This will initiate syncing of your iCloud keychain. Now, open the Safari browser on your new MacBook. Click on Safari in the top menu bar. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Go to the Passwords tab. You may need to enter your MacBook password or use Touch ID to access the passwords. If your iCloud keychain has been transferred successfully, you will see your saved passwords listed here. To verify the transfer, select a few entries to confirm they are correct. If you find that your keychain hasn't synced, double-check your internet connection. You should also revisit your iCloud settings in System Preferences. If necessary, restart your MacBook to refresh the syncing process. Once everything is confirmed, you can start using your transferred keychain seamlessly. That's it. You've successfully transferred your iCloud keychain to your new MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.